am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Biani Group of Colleges. Today I am deliver my lecture on operators in C++, behalf of Guru KPO. Operators in C++. Basically we are using operators, arithmetical problems, we are using these operators and solve our problems, tasks. That an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulation. The following type of the operators, there are different kinds of operators are available which are used in operators for solving a task in arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators, there are different kinds of operators. First is arithmetic operator, then second is a relational operator, third is logical operator and assignment operator. There are four types of operators. In arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we are using addition, subtraction and multiplication. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and modulus. These operators are solve our mathematical calculations related tasks. In relational operators, we have to compare the operands to A compare to B compare. And logical operators are also used for performing different kind of task in our C++ language. Assignment operator, assignment operators in C++, the assignment operator define different tasks that are used to perform a very simplest form using these operators to perform different tasks and solve our problems. The operators, type of operators, we are saying that different operators are also available. We have to perform the different tasks. That arithmetic operator adds two operands. Arithmetic operators add two operands that are perform different tasks. It means we have to use operands. Operands are giving solutions to C, that is our solutions. And then subtraction are second operand from first. A minus B equal to 10, we have to assume values, then we have to solve the problems. Second, multiplication both operands, A multiplied B equal to 200. Next, division numerator by denominator, B divided by A then equal to 2. Then modules operand and reminder of after an integer division, B module A equal to 0. Then after this there are two or increment and decrement. Increment, it means we can say A plus plus and B minus minus. We have to use the different operators and solve our task. Thank you so much.